It's Will! Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, this is a treat, everybody. I'm excited.
Hello!
Will, good to see you.
Of course! Look at it! Whoa, 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 whoa! Where's your blue ID? You're opening my ropes! I need to see a blue Disney blue ID! This guy! Alright, my friends, please wait right here. Let my guests off, and then you guys can come on.
Oh, this is gonna be great. We're gonna ride to Poly. I was gonna just go to the Grand Floridian, but now Will's here and we're going to the Poly.
Thank you so much, man.
No problem. Alright, my friends, are you ready for an adventure?
Yes.
Well, too bad, you're on the Mariner. The adventure is over in Bay Lake today. Other than that, my friends, welcome aboard. Please take time, watch heads up, and take small children by the hand. First stop is the Grand Floridian, second stop the Polynesian. Third stop is right back here with me.
Sounds like a good plan.
Excellent. Welcome aboard. Please take time. Now, my friend, I do see your elbows over the side. You do know we have freshwater sharks. Yeah, they're called rainbow sharks. Yeah, do you know what color is a rainbow shark? Orange and black.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because when I think of a rainbow, that's all I think about is orange and black. Yeah, but you guys know how big a rainbow shark is.
No way.
This big. Yeah, you know it. Oh, wait. Sorry, I lied to you. There you go. Excellent. Did they leave yet? They did? Yeah. Go. Ah, Bonnie's waiting for me. Gotta go.
Yep, he's waiting.
Alright, my friends, please note, there's no standing up at any time. Let's go have fun. I swear they're going to blow the horn right before you get there. You are the best, Bonnie.
Welcome aboard. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
Alright, my friends, watch your hands back there. We might have the bump.
Now relax.
Excellent. Alright, my friends, welcome aboard the Mariner. As I like to call it, the Jungle Cruise 2.0. Because you see, we are going to have half the jungle, but twice the cruise. But do you know why I consider it 2.0?
Why?
Because I can actually drive the boat. Look at that.
Woo!
I am not on a track. Yeah, take that, monorail. I don't think they heard me.
No.
Well, my friends, I want to thank you for taking the boat today. I know you actually had a choice in the matter, and it looks like you chose the wrong one. However, my friends, I am so thankful you didn't take the monorail. See, here at Watercraft, we don't trust monorail people. Do you guys know why?
Why?
They have a one-track mind. Oh, my friends, that was one of my best jokes. If you're not laughing at that one, oh, we're in for a very long ride. Excellent. Alright, so did you guys do anything fun today? Yeah. Excellent. Did anyone go to Fantasyland? Yes. Excellent. Did you guys hear about the survey that was just done? No. Yeah, so it turns out they did it on the 7 doors. Yeah, so 6 out of 7 doors were not happy. You guys know your doors? Excellent. How about Bass Pro? Do you guys like Bass Pro? Did you hear that he almost broke the record of most gems collected? Did you hear why he didn't? He was just a little shy. Oh, I'm fine. I'll try harder. But in the meantime, my friends, we're about to dock at the Grand.
Attention all hands. We are preparing to dock.
We are?
This is a free-floating vessel, and docking can be bumpy at times.
Especially when I drive.
For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until
That part is very important.
And gives you the all clear to go ashore.
Hey, he's talking about me. Alright, my friends, well, I hope you enjoyed my joke. You see, I used to be a bank teller until I got fired. One day a lady walked in and asked me to check her balance. So I walked out and I pushed her over. I've been here ever since. I don't know why Disney hired me. Maybe they wanted me for the Jungle Cruise. I was like, nah, I want to write my own joke. Hey, my little friends, before you go, you guys know where your right eye set to your left eye?
What?
Just between you and me, something smells. You guys knows what I'm talking about?
Definitely. No.
Because I don't.
Nose.
Hey, speaking of your nose, you guys know why it can't be 12 inches long? Because then it'll be a foot. Wow. Alright guys, you know what? You've been guardians. I love you. Please don't ever change. Yay! Let's not crash the boat. Crash the boat.
Don't
Stop the boat.
Don't stop. Crash the boat?
I don't know.
No.
I know I just gotta go wee! Oh, no, wrong way.
Hard reverse. We're a little shy.
No, we're not. We gotta let it pull us in. You gotta be
Okay.
patient.
Oh, you gotta be patient?
My friends, use the force! Excellent! I knew I had some force. Oh, I found it! Excellent. Alright, my friends, please remain seated. I am still badly driving. Oops, wrong way. Alright, my friends, please remain seated. I will be right back. I'm heading to lunch. See you guys later.
Second lunch.
Yay, I'm free! Man, my lunch break is already over. I gotta talk to the union about this. You know, one M&M is non-lunch, not for lunch. Alright, my friends, right this way for the Grand Floridian. Please take your time, watch your step. Yeah, you guys take more torture. I mean, jokes.
Torture.
My friends, please take your time, watch your step. Take small children by the hand. No problem. Wow, you all going to the Polynesian?
We are.
You guys staying there or visiting?
Visiting.
Why? Don't come visit me.
Is this a dinner cruise?
You wish. I'm not even allowed to eat. I'm a captain. Alright, my friend. Are we ready for the Polynesian?
Yeah. Wrong rope.
What? You know why it's shaped like this? For those jokesters. Okay, don't say that one. Alright, my friends. Wow, you guys all look very small. What happened? Oh, I'm standing. Alright, my friends, before we go, there's two big rules. One, there's no standing up at any time. Except for me, I'm special. That's what my mama used to say. Anyways, rule number 2, you must keep hands, arms, and legs inside the boat at all times. If you came in with it, you must leave with it. That means wives. You must take your husbands and your kids. I'm not a babysitter, and I don't want to do the paperwork if you decide to throw them over. We good?
You good?
Excellent, let's go have some fun. You ready? Alright, let's try that again. You ready? Wait a minute. Oh, you guys okay? Looks like you're covered in stitches. Oh no, there's no stitch on your shirts? Okay, we're good. Let's go have some fun. I like Stitch. Me too. Oh, excellent.
She's awake.
Welcome aboard. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside our boat at all times. And supervise your children. Now relax.
It's a little
and
early
enjoy
for
your
that.
cruise. And we'll have you at your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us.
Alright, my friends, you're in for a real treat. You guys are about to meet my favorite bird. Her name is Anne, and she hates me.
Yeah, she does.
Yes. Hi, Anne. How you doing today? You good? I noticed you're not drying off. Did you catch any food today? Were you that lazy? Anne! And don't give me that silent treatment. Fine, I'll go talk to Hinga. She's over there chilling out. Hi, I'm the view you're looking for. No? Is that so? Oh, we'll enjoy the fireworks.
She's not here. Oh, there she is. There she is.
Alright. Hello! Can I have some chicken nuggets too? I get a discount. Okay, bye. I guess you don't want to go to Snowman either. Alright, bye. What?
Yeah, it doesn't snow.
We're in Florida. We don't have snow? Oh. Wait, but do you guys like Frozen? Do you guys like Olaf? Did you hear about his big plans this weekend? Yeah, he's not going to have any big plans. He's just going to chill. Yeah, just like those balloons. You know why we're not allowed to get pellets on any more balloons? just let him go.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a
She
decent.
wasn't helping. Excellent. Oh, my friends, you might be wondering what they are building over there. Well, that's my house. Empty place. No, it's not.
No.
Is that why I haven't got my email? Doesn't every Disney employee live in a house like that? No? Oh, I was really getting excited. I even started packing. Oh. Now, my friends, what it actually is an add-on to the Polynesian for the DVC. And it will look nothing like the Polynesian. Yay!
We don't know that yet.
Well, at least I don't have to look at it every single day. Oh. Wait, I do.
Every
That's
day.
alright. Let's have some more fun. Hey, my friends, you want to see a fun little thing that's lost in history? Hi-ya! Where is it? Where's my light? There! Do you guys see the wall?
That's a nice wall.
There's a wall on that island. You know what it's for? Keeping squirrels out. Nah, I'm kidding, my friends. What it actually is a part of the break wall for the wave machine. Back in the day, you could swim out here and have fun on these waters, but we had to turn it off. Do you guys know why? Your first answer will probably be wrong. Or no answer, that works too. See, that's 100% wrong. Everyone always says that, but it's wrong. No, it's because we suck at driving a boat. Yeah, we couldn't dock the boat with the waves on, so we had to turn it off. You know what they said?
Nope.
They said deal with it. And then they found out it was doing damage to the shoreline. And then they said, okay, both reasons are acceptable now. Yeah.
Yeah.
It took that long.
Attention all hands. We are preparing to dock.
We are?
This is a free-floating vessel.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Docking and debugging time.
Wait a minute.
For your safety.
What's that in front of us?
Keeping hands, arms, feet, and
That's
legs
not my
inside
dog.
the boat until your
What
captain
is that?
returns and gives you the all clear to go.
Oh no! It's a bungalow! What are we going to do? Get out of the way! Get out of the way! I need to dock the boat! Why you get out of the way? Ah! Wow! That was a close one! That bungalow came right at us! No, it didn't?
No.
Wow, you guys are a great sport. I love you guys. Don't ever stop. Stay on my boat forever. That's okay. I can still dock the boat. Oh, I found it. The dock's right here. Oh. Okay. No one here. Okay, no one's here, so I'm going to sneakily park here without them knowing. I don't have a permit to park here. Found it. Oh, now I did.
There he goes.
Got it. All right, my friends, please remain seated. I am still badly driving. Oh, wrong way. Hey, my friends, am I allowed to park here? I think that's a yes. All right, my friends, please remain seated. I will be right back. I'm heading to break. See you guys later. All right, my friends, my breaks are getting shorter and shorter. I don't know what's going on. All right, this way. Welcome to the Polynesian. Please take your time, watch it, and step, and have a great night. I'll miss you guys and come back real soon.
Will, don't miss us. I'll be
I
back.
will.
I'll be
See you,
back.
mate.
All right, that was Will, everybody. Wonderful Jungle Cruise 2.0 captain, and it's Will, Will, from Minnesota.